Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of motivational skills, and the topic for today's discussion is disadvantages of group discussion, disadvantages of GD. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that GD is a very crucial criteria by the help of which people can come to a good conclusion related to a particular problem. GDs are organized inside the organization when employees of the organization want to discuss crucial projects among themselves. And GD is also a hiring criteria of most of the organizations during any kind of campus placement drive or off-campus walk-in interviews. Now, these are the positive aspects of group discussion, but there are certain negative aspects also which we should keep in mind, and we must avoid these negative aspects so that GD can be successful. Let me show you what are these negative aspects. Please have a look at this chart, ladies and gentlemen. I have prepared this chart, disadvantages of GD. Now here it says it is a highly time consuming to assemble right group and problem increases with size. It is a highly time consuming to assemble a right group and problem increases with size. Now this is very crucial, ladies and gentlemen. It is really highly time consuming to assemble the right group. The participating members of a group are the prime criteria before conducting any kind of group discussion. The people who are going to participate in group discussion, they must be aware of the topic of the group discussion thoroughly. If they are not well aware of the problem that we are going to discuss in GD, they can never contribute in a positive way in any kind of group discussion. That's why group discussion is a highly time consuming process, and it is very difficult to assemble the right group. And the last portion says the problem increases with size. Now, how the problem increases with size during a group discussion, ladies and gentlemen, when the number of participating members is more than required, they all will contribute in their own specific way. We will have a large quantity of ideas, and because of unnecessary large quantity of ideas, we will get confused and we cannot come up to the appropriate conclusion of the GD. This is the major drawback. Now, the second point here says self-centered interest leads to personality clashes. Now, if some people are discussing a problem in a group, definitely different people will have different opinions. But sometimes there are self-centered opinions also. People try to give only those opinions which are favorable to them. They do not bother about what other person feels about their opinion. They only want to dominate group discussion by putting forward their own opinion first. They always discard opinion of other people, which is a major drawback in group discussion. See, the third point, it says no free flow of ideas due to official pressure. No free flow of ideas due to official pressure. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is a situation wherein the higher authorities, before starting any kind of group discussion, they warn the participating members in advance that there is certain thing that they don't have to discuss in this GD. Or if they discuss this particular kind of thing in group discussion, the management is not going to listen. So it is already pre-decided that what are the things that are going to be discussed in the GD and what are the things which are not going to be discussed in GD, and this is not a good group discussion. If you have pre-planned that these are the things which you are not going to discuss in group discussion. And if someone is discussing these things in a group discussion, you are not going to listen to that person. Such kind of GD is of no value. There should be free flow of ideas in any kind of group discussion. Employees must be free to discuss anything they want related to the problem. They must be free to express their own specific point of view. Now, the fourth point says some members dominate the discussion. Now, sometimes it happens that during a group discussion, there are few people who keep speaking and they don't give chance to other participating members. Even if other participating members, they start speaking, they dominate those participating members and they always put forward their point of view above other members. They always try to dominate the discussion. They don't let other people speak. Now, if such kind of attitude is displayed during group discussion, no positive conclusion can be found. If we want to have a positive conclusion of group discussion, all the members should participate equally. All the members should be allowed to put forward their point of view, their opinion. So if some members are dominating the discussion, you will never come to a fruitful conclusion. This is for sure. Fifth point says, decision of group is not always nice for the company. Now, ladies and gentlemen, why it happens that decision of the group is not always nice for the company? Now, this is the case when group members only put forward their own opinion, and the purpose of group discussion is to fulfill their own requirements. When people participate in a group discussion to fulfill only their own requirements without bothering about overall growth of the organization, it means personal factors are more dominating and people are less bothered about company's growth. Therefore, decision of group is not always nice for the company. Sometimes the decisions that they take, they are absolutely bad for the problem under discussion. And it happens many times that people find out such kind of conclusion and then they implement those conclusions, ultimately resulting in downfall of the organization. That's why the decisions of the group, they should be nice for the company, and whosoever is participating in the group discussion, he must put forward his point in such a manner that it leads to success of the organization. Now, sixth point says group may shift to less risk taking or more risk taking. Now, these are two different situations in a group discussion, ladies and gentlemen. Suppose people have taken a decision which is favorable for the organization in their opinion. Now, that decision may be less risk taking or it may be more risk taking. Now, if it is a less risk taking decision, definitely it will have certain drawbacks. It will not be properly according to the kind of targets which the organization wants to achieve. And if such kind of decisions are implemented, it will be non-beneficial for the organization because you have not discussed the matters thoroughly, consistently, and in a hurry to come up to a conclusion, you decided a very wrong conclusion of the group discussion and then you implemented that conclusion in your organization, further resulting in financial losses. And if it is a more risk-taking decision, if the final conclusion is about more risk-taking, it will again be a huge financial burden on the organization, because in that case, you will be spending money of the organization unnecessarily on unnecessary things, which are absolutely not required for that particular project. over risk taking and under risk taking. Ladies and gentlemen, both these situations are absolutely non-favorable for the organization. So this is also a major drawback of group discussion. Sometimes people follow low risk taking attitude and sometimes they follow more risk taking attitude, which is very harmful for the organization. Once again, I would like to repeat all these disadvantages of GD. It is highly time consuming to assemble right group and problem increases with size. Of course, if there are large number of people, definitely you cannot find the appropriate solution of the problem because there will be unnecessary amalgamation of ideas. Second point says self-centered interest leads to personality clashes. Now, if people are only promoting their self-centered things, it can create problem of conflict during the group discussion, and whenever conflict situation arises in group discussion, we cannot find any proper conclusion. Third point says no free flow of ideas due to official pressure. Now, if it has been pre-decided by the organization that there are certain things which employees should not discuss, in that case, employees will never be able to put forward their opinion positively. They will not be able to contribute in a positive way in the direction of growth of the organization. And the fourth point says some members dominate the discussion. Yes, there are certain people who always try to enforce their decision on other people, which is absolutely bad. Fifth point says decision of group is not always nice for the company. Yes, of course, the decision of the group is not always nice for the organization, and if that decision is implemented, it will lead to financial losses for the organization. And sixth point says that group may shift to less risk taking or more risk taking. It means either you evaluate the problem thoroughly, either you evaluate problem less thoroughly, or you evaluate it up to such an extent which is absolutely not required, and both these situations are bad for the organization. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the major drawbacks of group discussion. We all agree with this fact that group discussion is required to find the most appropriate solution of a given problem. But if these things are not considered during group discussion, it will lead to a bad group discussion, ultimately a bad conclusion for the organization, and finally it will lead to huge financial losses for the organization. This should be kept in mind before participating in any kind of group discussion. The main purpose of group discussion is that the solutions that you are finding after group discussion, the conclusions that you are finding after group discussions, they must be highly favorable for the organization. If they are not favorable for the organization, group discussion is a wastage of time. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.